Talesong 11. The Rings of Saturn. I walk these roads, old England under grey. Every step a story, memories sway. Ghosts of ruins whisper, sea winds hum, history's wait in every crumb. Ships once sailed where I now tread, lives long gone, thoughts in my head. Decay and beauty. Side by side, time moves slow, yet tides collide. People I meet, fragments of lives, their tales twist, like vines, like knives. I wonder about the world, lost and small, nature and humans. Rise and fall. Through villages quiet, fields bare and wide, I carry stories, with nowhere to hide. Life's fleeting, yet rich, in strange display, I record the whispers before they decay. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.